Welcome all. In India, Moneycontrol website is rank 42. Why Moneycontrol website is rank 42? We are going to analyze today and discuss briefly what are the features are available in Moneycontrol website one by one. One point I will tell you here, Moneycontrol website is only for a financial people. All financial news are presented in Moneycontrol website. Means market, commodities, mutual funds, personal finance. So we can see all financial related news and market news in Moneycontrol website at a current time. First, we will go to market section. In market section, we are seeing means Indian indices, stock action, global markets, FIA activity, earnings, IPO. So many subsections we can able to see in market section in Moneycontrol website. Here, Indian indices is presented. Indian indices means Indian indices. Example I am telling means Nifty 50, Sensex. Like this, we can see in Indian indices sections. We are seeing here Asian Paints, Axis Bank, Bajaj Auto. So what are the stocks are presented in Sensex and how much percentage variations is happened in volume and by sell price, by quantity. So all the related news we can see in Indian indices sections. Means what are the stocks are present in particular indices. We can see all their that stock action and related news. Everything we can see in Indian indices section. Then second we can see here stock action. Stock action means completely related to stock actions in Indian markets. Compared to all stock, which stock is performed high, which stock is performed low, which stock heavy buyers activity happened today, which stock heavy activity sellers happened today. So these all the newses we can get in stock section. Then we can see here global markets. Global markets means in all over markets, USA markets, European markets, Asian markets. So in all market, how much percentage changes happened and how much percentage open, high, low, which time that's opened. So these all global related activities we can see in this global market section. Here on FIA and DA activity. FIA and DA means foreign institution and domestic institution, means mutual funds, LIC. These all institutions, their activities in market, we will get correctly in our hand at a current time. Means FIA and DA activities we can get by this website at currently. Then here IPO related news. In market section we are looking means all market related activities and news, everything we will get in market section by Moneycontrol website. Then next menu is news. News means in this section we can see business, markets, special, technology, media, all financial related newses, business related newses, market related news, technology related news. We will get at instant time by Moneycontrol website. Then go to commodities section. Commodities means it's a product in digital format in our hand. Example, gold, silver, cotton, crude oil, natural gas. So these all commodities related activities we can see by this commodities section presented in Moneycontrol website. Next section is mutual funds. All mutual fund related news and activities we can see in this website. If you are a mutual fund holder, this website is really helpful for you. We can see here home, find fund, top ranked funds, performance tracker, SPA performance tracker. So all mutual fund related activities. They gave one separate section for mutual fund also. Then next section we can see here personal finance. So finance related activities we can see here. I can tell one thing, this section is needed for all people. Means investing, insurance, banking, financial planning, property, tools, video. So these all related activities we can see in this personal finance, means corporate deposit, income tax calculator, emergency fund calculator, car loan calculator, home loan calculator. So all the our difficulties means related to loan, what are the finance related activities we can see here and find out that solution by this website. The next section is invest global. Invest global means they will give an idea and how we can able to invest in globally safely. What are the procedure for that? So all ideas we got in invest in US market from India. Finally, we will go in search bar and search one stock. Just I will examples Axis Bank. Axis. I will search Axis Bank. ASIS Axis Bank. Okay, Axis Bank. I'm clicking here. Here I can see the share price of Axis Bank 75257.35. Day range, week range, volume. So all related Axis Bank news we can see here, means which percentage that is Axis Bank is now, an open price, previous close, volume, beta, high, low price. So all related Axis Bank news we can see here. They gave chart also, price and volume, 1 week, 1 month performance. Moneycontrol website is one of the best important website for all. If you are a beginner, this website is only for you. This is why I am telling this, means this is a very user friendly website. Heavy ads are presented in the Moneycontrol website. Yes, that's one little drawback, but I will tell this is one of the most important tool for all investors and traders. Today, Moneycontrol website review is completed. Tomorrow, we will see another one website. Okay, friends, bye. If you like this video, means like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.